Hi, I'm Amatarka Arbuza, and today I want to show you how to color things like liners without getting all these strange white dots or rectangles. So first, all you need to do is to make a liner, and after you make it, you must duplicate it sometimes. And after you do this, you must do a layer between those liners, and then choose the color you want your space to be colored. And after you make it, ta-da, like you see, there are no white spots. It looks clean and good. And well, that's all I wanted to show you today. So thank you for watching, and see ya. And hi back, I just wanted to show you how it looked after some shading and making more of this trash. And well, soup to her, because she's like a good artist, and I think that maybe soon she'll be popular like Sariat or Rosalie. So bye.